In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in League of Legends. Blocking someone can be a quick way to keep your in-game experience calm and focused, and the process is simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can do it confidently in just a few clicks. Start by opening the League of Legends client and logging in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the right side of the client. You'll see the social panel, sometimes called the friends list. This panel shows your friends, recent players, and any online contacts. If you don't see it, make sure the sidebar is expanded and you're not in full screen menus where the panel might be hidden. Find the person you want to block in that list. You can scroll through if you have many contacts. Take a moment to double check you've selected the correct summoner because blocking is intentional and you'll be confirming it in a moment. Hover your mouse over their name to reveal the interaction options. Now, right-click on their name. This will open a small context menu with actions you can take for that player. In that menu, look for the option that says Block. Click Block, and a confirmation prompt will appear. This prompt is there to make sure you don't block someone by accident, so review the name one last time. Confirm your choice. Once you confirm, the block is immediately applied. From that point on, that person won't be able to direct message you through the client, send you friend requests or party invites, or ping you with social notifications. In many regions and client versions, blocking also limits their ability to communicate with you in chat if you end up in the same game, helping you stay focused and avoid unwanted interactions. They won't receive a special notification telling them they were blocked, so the action is discreet. A quick tip: blocking is different from removing someone as a friend. Removing just takes them off your list. Blocking actively prevents contact. If your client looks slightly different due to updates or regional variations, the key idea stays the same. Open the social panel, right-click the person's name, choose Block, and confirm in the pop-up. That's all there is to it. To recap, log into your League client, go to the social panel on the right, hover over the friend you want to block, right-click, select Block, and confirm. With that done, you've taken a solid step toward keeping your game time positive and distraction-free.